What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a key fob for a 2016 Chevy Colorado. I bought this on eBay. Costs like $70. Comes with the programmer and the key fob. I'll show you real quick how to do it. Get your key, put it in the ignition, and put it on the on position, just like so. Do not turn the ignition on, the engine. Just put it on the on position. Get your programmer, put it in the OBD2 port. You hear that beep. And then here you'll see it says remote learning active. Get your key, you got your key fob here. All you do is hold the lock and unlock button at the same time until you hear it beeping. All right, you heard it beep. Now let's test it out, see if it works.